In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide in Excel using a simple formula. Imagine you have a set of numbers that you need to work with, calculate, or simply analyze. Excel, without a doubt, is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal for these tasks. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who loves crunching numbers for personal projects, understanding how to divide numbers using Excel's formula can save you time and prevent errors. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to divide numbers in Excel like a pro. First, to make use of Microsoft's Excel, particularly if you prefer not to install any software, you can leverage the free Microsoft 365 online, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. A simple internet search for free Microsoft 365 online will guide you to the official website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button likely located at the top corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, no worries, you can quickly sign up for one right there. After logging in, you'll be directed to a dashboard where you can access various Microsoft 365 apps. For our purpose, we'll focus on Excel. However, before we jump into dividing numbers, let's take a moment to understand why it's important to use Excel for calculations. Not only does Excel provide a visual interface to work with numbers, but it also offers a variety of functions and formulas that simplify complex calculations, including division. Now let's move on to the practical part. Imagine you have an Excel file that you want to work on. For training purposes, let's assume we have a worksheet loaded with some data. To illustrate, we'll use an example where cell B2 contains a number you wish to divide, and cell C2 contains the number you want to divide by. Your first task is to select a blank cell where you wish the result of the division to appear. Once you've selected the cell, it's time to input the formula for division. In Excel, all formulas begin with an equals sign, followed by the function and its arguments. For dividing numbers, the process is straightforward. You simply type equal sign followed by the numerator, the number you wish to divide, a /, no / for division, and lastly the denominator, the number you want to divide by. For our scenario, typing equal sign B2/C2 into the formula bar and pressing enter will execute the division operation. But why B2 and C2, you might ask? In Excel, each cell is identified by its unique address, which is a combination of the column letter and the row number. So B2 refers to the cell located in column B and row 2, while C2 refers to the cell in column C and row 2. This notation allows you to precisely pinpoint and use data within your Excel sheets for calculations without ambiguity. Remember, after inputting your formula and pressing enter, the result of your division will appear in the cell you selected. This method isn't just limited to 2 cells. You can divide multiple numbers or even apply this formula across rows and columns as needed. It's worth noting a few tips at this point. Ensure you've verified the content of the cells you're dividing. If the denominator, the number you're dividing by, is 0, Excel will return an error since division by 0 is undefined. Additionally, for more complex operations or to divide a series of numbers by the same denominator, explore Excel's other functions like quotient or the array formulas. As you become more familiar with Excel's capabilities, you'll find there are numerous ways to customize formulas to fit your specific needs. Practice with different datasets, explore Excel's extensive function library, and don't hesitate to experiment. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it has been informative and has provided you with a solid foundation to confidently use division in Excel formulas for your projects. Remember, the key to mastering Excel lies in practice and exploring its vast functionalities. Happy dividing!